Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a superhero landing in After Effects. First, set up your camera on a sturdy tripod and film your actor performing the jump and landing. Remember to also capture a clean plate of your background. Then, record a separate shot of your camera tilting smoothly upwards. Once filmed, import all these clips into After Effects. You'll need to cut your footage into three main parts: the jump, the landing, and the camera tilt, preparing them for the next steps. Now, let's bring your hero to life. Begin by carefully rotoscoping your actor to separate them from the background. Next, duplicate this layer and freeze a frame at the peak of their landing pose. Animate the actor's position and scale, starting them small and high, then rapidly increasing their size as they descend. Crucially, enable motion blur on the layer to convey incredible speed, making the fall appear much more dynamic and believable. To truly sell the impact, we'll add some powerful visual effects. You can create ground cracks using After Effects shatter effect or by compositing stock footage. Introduce dust and debris particles, emitting them outwards from the landing spot to show the force. A subtle shockwave effect, perhaps with turbulent displacement, will enhance the ground impact. Don't forget to add a touch of heat distortion or air turbulence around the landing for extra realism, blending everything with appropriate modes. For the grand finale, let's refine your scene. Add a powerful camera shake using the wiggle expression, making the landing feel truly impactful. Carefully color grade all your elements to ensure they blend seamlessly and establish the desired mood. Fine-tune the timing of every effect from dust to cracks so they synchronize perfectly with your hero's landing. Finally, pre-compose your layers for a clean workflow and export your epic superhero landing video in a high-quality format, ready to impress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.